Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing our winter 2022 product preview. So we don't have a lot of products for the new winter season, but we do have some fun products that are actually going from limited or special edition to regular line, which is pretty exciting. So let's just run through really quick. This is the new winter catalog, comes out on the 16th of November. Of course, this is for the Canadian market. And we have some fun stuff coming up. Okay, so first of all, just gonna see if I can find it here. This is super cute. This is a limited edition Hint of Mint lip balm. So for those of you who love when we come out with a lip balm for the winter season to help with our chapped lips, this has just got a hint of mint in it. And the nice thing is that it's also unisex color. So it's gray with a little bit of mint green on it. Not quite as thick as our Satin Lips lip balm, but super moisturizing. And just that hint of mint, which is perfect for the winter season. So this is perfect to stick in a stocking stuffer or to get your family and friends on for the winter season to keep their lips nice and soft. And it is $11. So great price point. Again, great for stocking stuffer. Definitely a win for that. So $11 for the Hint of Mint lip balm. We also have, it's a returning product for this season, is our Illuminate Body Souffle. So it's limited edition. Great option for if you're looking for gift ideas for even to stock up for Mother's Day, right? Or Valentine's Day. It's a beautiful package. It's in red and gold, which makes it a great idea for any gift giving. And it is a body souffle. So it's super concentrated product with a lovely rich scent, which is amazing. So if you or the people that you love fragranced body creams, especially during this dry winter months, then this is what you're looking for, Illuminate Body Souffle. Okay, and then we also have right now our Peaceful Pampering Set is what it's called. So it is our standard lovely bestseller satin hand set with the hand softener and the scrub and the hand cream. And you can get that in fragrance free, or you can get it in the white tea and citrus, which are regular scents, or you can actually get it right now in a limited edition citrus rose scent, which is really lovely, nice and light. But it includes these super cute little gloves. So the idea is that once you finish with the satin hand set, then you stick your hands in these little gloves overnight, and it actually helps the cream to absorb in and stay in and not get evaporated or whatever. So it keeps your hands even softer. That is super cute. So the limited edition Peaceful Pampering Set with the little gloves is $55 each. Again, great gift idea. And then for the winter months, Mary Kay has come out with a beauty moments that is hydrating. It's called Winter Hydration Beauty Moment. I have realized that I haven't been showing you these great bags for the beauty moments. They're actually quite substantial. They're not just wimpy, and they have this cute little zipper, and you can use it for all sorts of things. They would be waterproof as well, and it's a little bit of cushioning there too, which is kind of nice. So if you want to put it in the mail, you totally can. So if you want to ship it to someone, or I don't know if you realize this, but I can direct ship to anybody in Canada. So if you want me to direct ship something directly to your friend or person that you're gift giving to, I'd be happy to do that. So in the beauty moment for winter, we have a winter hydration, just a little card talking about the products and how to use them and optimize them. So that's in there. And we have our extra emollient night cream. This is a really great product. This is like one of our original products, actually. It's got the little Mary Kay signature on this side because it's a classic product. It actually is a very thick cream. It's pink. It does have a scent to it. For those of us whose grandmothers used Mary Kay, you may recognize this. But it is a classic for a reason because it works, and it is extra emollient. You can use it on your face if your face is super dry, on your hands. It seems to feel greasy when you first put it on, but trust me, if you let it soak in, it gets fully absorbed and just softens the skin. It is absolutely amazing. We also have our new Clinical Solutions HA plus ceramide hydrator. So this is a hydrating serum that you can add to your face. You want to do this before your moisturizing step. A couple of drops on the tips of your fingers, and then you can rub it in all over, and it provides that extra hydration, which is awesome. And then we have the Mary Kay Naturally Moisturizing Stick. So this is really funny because I've been carrying this in my handbag for the last little bit because of the super dry weather. It's kind of fun. It's just like, honestly, it's like a big, it's got a seal on it, this one does, but it's like a big chapstick, and you literally just twirl it up, and you can put it anywhere on the heels. It's great for heels, especially in the summer. I've been actually putting it on my knuckles because they are starting to crack and dry out, but this is an amazing product for hydration. So that is our beauty moments. Let me just run through the prices of things again because I think I've forgotten that. Hint of Mint Lint Balm, $11. Illumine Body Souffle, $42. The Peaceful Hands Pampering Set with the satin hands and the gloves is $55. And the Winter Hydration Beauty Moment is $72. So you get all these products for $72. Here's the key with the beauty moments. Remember, these are regular line products. So if you love something, you can totally reorder it, and you get a savings if you get it in a bundle like this. So regular price is $96. You're saving 25%, not even kidding. Also, wanted to just let you know some good news. We've got some limited or special edition products that are becoming regular line, which is awesome. Our two-step hydrating mask, if you haven't tried this yet, it's really, really fun. It actually folds up and bursts all this wonderful hydrating gel into a sheet mask, and then you put it on your face, and it infuses your face with moisture. There are 8 masks in the box, and that is regular line now, $45 for those hydrating masks. We have our men's foaming beard wash. I love this because my husband uses it, which is awesome. It is a foaming beard wash. He doesn't have a beard, he just uses it on his face. It just foams out into your hand. Awesome, great size, great pump. I like how it dispenses for sure. That's $21. And I don't have it here, my apologies, but our pink clay mask that came out in, I think it was, I don't know, it's come and gone a few times, but our pink clay mask is now a regular line item as well for $20. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy your winter and stay hydrated.